Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Dividends are one of the best ways of earning passive income. What exactly are dividends and what is its significance while analyzing a company? Let's find out. Dividend literally means reward. So, dividends are rewards that a company gives to its shareholders. Whenever a company earns profits, its management has two options. It can either retain the profits and use it for further capacity expansion, repaying debt, or making acquisitions, or it can distribute the profits to the shareholders in the form of dividends. Generally, small and fast growing companies require a lot of cash for expansion as there is a lot of potential for growth. Say, for example, there is a shoe manufacturing company and its management feels that there is a lot more demand for shoes. So, they will retain their profits and use it to expand their production facilities. And by doing so, they will be able to meet the additional demand for shoes. Their revenues and profits will increase. In short, the management is using the current profits to increase their future revenues and future profits. On the other hand, mature companies that already have sufficient capacity to meet the market demand give out their profits as dividends. This is because they don't have any more avenues to invest the surplus cash that the business is generating. Some companies pay dividends annually, while some companies pay it more frequently, like semi annually or quarterly. IT, FMCG, etc. are some of the sectors that generate a lot of surplus cash and give out good dividends. Now, from whatever I've discussed so far, it is quite evident that high dividend paying companies provide you with cash flows in the short term. However, the growth potential is lower as giving out dividends is an indication that management feels that the expansion opportunities in the business are quite low. I've seen a lot of young people investing in high dividend paying stocks to get quick cash flows. However, the growth potential in such companies is quite low and they are not going to get a lot of capital appreciation from it. In my opinion, young people are better off investing in companies that are growing their businesses well and expanding fast by reinvesting their profits. This is because 10 or 20 years down the line, these companies would have grown significantly and their share prices would have risen a lot. The capital appreciation that the investor would get would be quite high. And also, by this time, these companies would have matured and they would start giving out dividends. So, young people, when they are in their mid age or they become older, they will have a good source of passive income. On the other hand, an older person who requires passive income as he or she has retired may invest in dividend paying companies after analyzing other aspects about the company and considering their risk appetite. If I were to sum this up with an analogy, I would say that a younger person can sow seeds now and wait for the tree to grow and bear fruit. This is because they have a lot of time. On the other hand, an older person is better off with a grown mature tree that already has fruits on it. This is because they have lower time as compared to younger people. One important point. A lot of people get attracted by the high dividends that government companies pay and invest in them without doing much analysis. The problem with these companies is that the government requires a lot of income to fund its expenditure, and as a result, the government tells these companies to pay more and more dividend. Sometimes, due to this, these companies end up giving out too much cash in the form of dividends and then they face problems in their business operations due to shortage of cash. A coin has two sides, and it is important that you all not only pay attention to the dividends that a company is paying, but you also pay attention to the business operations of the company before making an investment decision. What is your opinion about dividend investing? Please mention it in the comment section. I'd be glad to read. If you have any video suggestions or you want to discuss any topic with me, then you can connect with me on social media. I've put the links in the description box. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for my upcoming videos. Do share it with your friends and family who might be interested in finance. Stay tuned. Thank you